Hey guys, my box from Seminar. Look at the size of this thing. Let's see what's in here. So all the new stuff, I already know what's in here, but let's take a look at it together. This is all the new stuff from our seminar that we just had this past weekend, and I could not be more thrilled to be opening this right now. So I'm so excited. You guys, I can't even hardly contain myself. I love everything that's going to be in here already, and I haven't even seen them in person yet, so it's pretty cool. All right. Oh my God. Look at, from SeneGence. It's just basically telling me everything that's in here. Very cool. The first thing we're going to look at is this right here. Look at this cute bag. Okay, look at those lips. This is the lip care bundle, the ultimate lip care bundle. Oh my goodness. It comes with 2 existing items. So it's got the lip scrub, spherical little scrubby things so they don't scratch your lips. It's so good. The lip balm, which is my grandson's favorite thing. And here's the new product. Oh, it's the overnight lip mask and the little applicator. You only get the little applicator thing if, in this collection. So you can get this whole collection, which is perfect for Mother's Day. So if you haven't shopped yet for Mother's Day, this is perfect. So I'm going to open this because this has watermelon in it. And that's supposed to be just like super hydrating. And I guess it just smells divine from what they were saying at Seminar. So I'm just going to straight open this right now. I'm not going to use it because we got a lip color in here too, friends. And I'm going to need to put that on. Oh my God. That's heaven right there. So you can use your finger in here. Woo! Okay, it got creamy fast. It emulsified really quickly. Okay, so it's not like waxy. So I thought maybe it might be a little waxy-like. Oh, it's not. It totally creamed up when I did that. So that's great. I'm going to put a little on my hand here because it just feels so good. And it smells great. Okay, so that's the ultimate lip care bundle with the lip mask. If you like this one, drop me some hearts in the comments. Now let's see what else we got. This is exciting. Look at this beautiful packaging, number 1. Hello, isn't that gorgeous? This is Neotite Revitalizing Eye Serum. This is replacing our dark circle eye treatment, and it's got all the things. So it works on puffiness and bags under the eyes like your mama's got here. It works on dark circles and sagging and crepiness, and you're going to use this twice a day. This works in 3 minutes. You see a difference. 3 minutes, and then over time. So with continued use, you will see the most results over 6 weeks. So this is awesome. The next thing is our new LipSense. Rockstar LipSense. ROXSTAR LipSense. It's this beautiful pink coral color. So I'm actually going to put it on. We're going to check it out together. Oh yes. So when I saw this color, I was like, that says summer. Oh, that's so pretty. I can't wait to take pictures. No shimmer or frost. It's a matte finish. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. What do you guys think so far? Hey. Oh my God. This is so pretty. Sana, if you watch this video, I think this color is perfect for you. I just thought of you right now. That is so pretty. I'm gonna let that dry a little bit and then we'll put some gloss on it. Let's see what's next. Oh my gosh, you guys, look! Do you know what this is? Look at that big bag. How big it is. It's like as big as my head. This is our Cosmetics Pro brushes. Now these are not available on my website. If you want these, you need to contact me directly. They're $40 plus 15 shipping and handling. I'm super excited about these. Oh, that bag is soft. Look at that. Ooh, so pretty. Look at that strappy little handle on there. All right, I think I'm ready for gloss. Let me just do this real quick. What do you guys think? Rockstar, Roxstar. Ah! Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Let's look at the new brushes. Oh, okay. I am so excited for these, you guys. So it's a 10 brush set. Look at that lined bag. Isn't that nice? Ooh, so nice. This is really soft. It's got a weird smell though. I don't know why. New bag, I guess. Oh my gosh, look at this. So, you guys, these brushes have like dark blue, senna blue bristles. They look black, but it's actually like a dark blue. Can you see like the blue hue on there? Oh my gosh, how cool is that? Oh, it's soft. These are quality brushes, you guys. Look at that. So this brush you could use for stippling, contouring. This is what I would use for foundation. Oh my God, it's so soft. I can't believe how soft this is. Can you see like how it's working as I pull it down there? This is crazy soft. I wonder how there's so many bristles in there. Look at that. Oh my gosh, these are nice. All right, now let's see what we got here. Oh my God. These are so soft. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So your powder brush. Okay, look at that. Okay, so this one does not have the blue. It's got white on the top. This would be great for blush or highlight. I'm gonna hold it back here so you can kind of see. When I hold it up here, it makes it look so much bigger. So it's not that big, it's this big. So you can see a little bit. Here's the other two in comparison. Let's see. So this one's bigger than this one, and this one's the biggest so far. Okay. Then you have your little flat. This is great for foundation or like making sure that you get like under in these areas in your eye. Look at that. And so this is again that like blue color. I cannot believe the quality of these brushes. Oh my gosh, I love them. Okay. And this one would be for shadow. Look at that. So that's about the size there. Another shadow brush. So use this all over here. Look at all these eye brushes. Ah! But then we have this flat one. So this flat brush right here, this will be great for like tiny padding that you would do with like more of the glitter shades. It also would make a great concealer brush or to get your contour in the smaller places that you'd like. But the flat ones work great for concealer and glitter shadows. So here's another, this one's also flat. You can see there's this one on your left, right, I don't know, whatever. This one is more flat. This one is also flat, but it's fluffier. Look at the amount of bristles in here. There's so many. So these are going to really put your color on nicely and blend really well all of our cream products. And this, oh, get this eyebrow brush. So you got your little brush, and then look at the size of this. This is great for brows. I love it. Look, it fits my brows exactly. This is going to be perfect. Oh my goodness. And so I like that these are like chip proof. So I have a brush I paid a lot of money for, like an It Cosmetics brush for foundation. It's like chipping, and these are not going to do that. So they're awesome. This is the last thing, and there's 6 of them. Watch this. Powder. Look at the powder. Oh my gosh, look at the packaging. Look how beautiful that is. This was our previous powder situation. The powder is freaking amazing. The travel container, I'm not a huge fan of the travel container. This, love the powder, don't care for the packaging. This is a serious upgrade. And we have 6 shades. We only had 3 previously. Let's look at them. This is the translucent. So this translucent powder, this is going to be a finishing powder that works on almost all skin tones. I believe it's probably just a white color. Okay, so it's got this little black thingy here on top. And that stays attached. Okay, so that's going to come off. And then you have this little sticker here. Okay. It's a little mesh top right here. See that? I don't know if you could see that, but it's a tiny little mesh top there. You can just take your powder, put it right over that, tap off any excess. Wow. So these hold a lot of product. All right. And then you're just gonna, oh my God, this brush feels so good. You're just gonna put this right over the top. So this gives you that photo finish. This brush is blowing my mind right now. Look at how it is so soft on my face. Look at that. How it just kind of like moves with my face. I'm a fan of the brush. Like really a fan. So, isn't that beautiful, you guys? We have light, medium, deep. We have deep powder, you guys. It's going to make a great contour. Silver rose. I use this as blush. I'll probably pull that out right now. Bronze dust. Oh my gosh. I want to put some of this on. So let me do the bronze dust first. Here, no, I'm taking this brush here because it's more of like a contour kind of a brush. Oh yes, that's nice. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Oh, that's so beautiful. Okay, and now I would put Silver Rose Translucid powder as a blush. Beautiful, look at it on that brush. Isn't that just beautiful? Okay, now I'm just gonna, I make that noise a lot apparently. As that goes, what's that? What's that noise? All right, there we go. So pretty. I'm a super fan. So let me know what you think of the powders, and let me know in the comments which one of these was your favorite. If you guys gotta have them, visit my website, jenn-nyberg.com, jenn-nyberg.com, and click on shop now, and you can get those. If you guys have questions, drop them in the comments. You can always send me a message here. Just click the message button, and I'm happy to get back with you, and let me know what you think of all the new stuff. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.